Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update backup scripts with AWS Backup for EC2 step by step clearly. To update backup scripts with AWS Backup for EC2, begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Backup service from the Services menu. On the Backup dashboard, locate and select the backup plan you wish to update. Review the current configuration of the backup plan to identify the changes needed. To modify the plan, click on the Edit button. Adjust the backup frequency according to your requirements, choosing options like daily, weekly, or monthly. Change the backup vault if necessary by selecting a different vault from the drop-down menu. Review the lifecycle policies to determine if retention periods need adjusting. If you need to add additional resources, navigate to the Resources section. Click on Add Resource to include new EC2 instances in your backup plan. Select the instances you want to backup and confirm your selection. Once all changes are made, scroll down to review the updated settings. Click on the Save button to apply your changes to the backup plan. After saving, monitor the backup job to ensure it runs successfully under the updated settings. Periodically review your backup scripts to ensure they remain aligned with your data protection requirements. Consider setting up notifications for backup successes or failures for improved monitoring. This completes the update process for your AWS backup scripts for EC2. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.